started. Okay, so forgot my water had apple cider vinegar in it, and it kind of scared me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing, yes, another hair video, but y'all, I got some waveformers. I am, as I stated in my last video, going through a hair growth journey, and in that process I've just become more and more obsessed with my hair and just wanting to do just wanting to do more things to it. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing. I'm going to put some waveformers in my hair today. I'm really excited about this product. When I saw the videos on it, I was like, sign me up for that situation. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned. And by the way, after my last video when I trimmed it, y'all, I really see a difference in my hair. So I'm just gonna section my hair into 4 sections, and then we're gonna get started. But baby, I can't be. I'm gonna start with warm water, like I always do today, starting with my leave-in conditioner from Miss Jessie's. Tell me what the deal is. Okay, so I have a total of, let's see, 12, and I bought 2 bags because I was like, I want to do smaller sections if I can because I don't want my hair to be frizzy. I'm going to be taking my Bonita Afro Balm from the brand called The Dew. It looks like this. It says that it is a light hold, non-greasy, creamy styling pomade, texture cream, and it says that it controls texture, whatever that means. Fights frizz, softens, and it has a light hold and definition. I'm using this for the frizz aspect of it. I'm going to take like this much on this section. I'm using this for the fact that it says it softens and fights frizz, but I am going to go over that with some gel. Sorry, I have to, because I really want this style to come out nice and smooth. So I'm just going to go right on top of that with some gel. I'm so excited because I've never done this before. I am like kind of pulling my hair. Maybe if I put more gel on it, it'll glide through better. So let me try to take that step. Oh, okay, it came apart. Okay, maybe it should be more wet. More water, all right. More water. Woo! That took some effort. Okay, but it's in there, right? So during this breakdown, I want to show you guys in detail how I did it. So I hooked the hair through, pull the waveformer close to the root, and then slide my hair through. And I do that the same way in each section. So twist my root, hook it, pull the waveformer close to my root, and then slide my hair through. And I'm just going to repeat that with each section. Apply my product. I smooth it out with my comb. Twist the root. Hook the hair. Pull the waveformer close to the root. And then slide your hair through. already took one out in the back, and I got some flakes.
Don't even think about calling me crazy. You know you peeped that lady. Yeah.
So to break the cast and to like soften it and get it all fluffy and everything, I'm gonna take some olive oil, put it in my hands. And just really focus it on hair. Really trying to get rid of the flakes that I created all on my own. I don't know. I'm gonna redo it. So we are back with the takedown part of this video. As you guys saw, the products that I used before were a complete fail. I definitely used too much products. I definitely used the wrong products together. So yeah, I went back, watched the video, and mousse was definitely used on these. So I went to Sally's, picked up a mousse myself. I got the olive oil, the ORS olive oil Hold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse infused with coconut oil for restorative shine. It says that it tames frizz, adds body, and is fast drying, and this is what it looks like. I let that clip play because I basically did the exact same thing as far as like how I applied these. I have the exact same sections, 3 over here, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, yeah. So I have the exact same sections and everything. So I didn't want to film this part again because I was like, what if this is also a fail? I'm gonna have to do it all over again. The only difference is that are the products. That's the only difference. So I rinsed that all out of my hair because I had to get rid of all of that product, and then all I put in my head was the Miss Jessie's leave-in and this. That's 100% it. I didn't put in any oils or anything. For each section, for like the smaller ones, I would use like 2 pumps. For like the big ones, I would use like 3. Another thing I did is I did not pull it down from my roots like you saw me do in the last one. I let my ends stick out and I just let them curl. So my ends are curled, as you can see. Yeah, I didn't want to pull it from my root because I just wanted my roots to be stretched like the rest of my hair would be stretched, so I didn't want to pull it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. It's been 4 minutes already, Jesus. Yeah, it boils out. I just pinch at the root a bit and then drag it out. Okay. No, and it feels so much softer than it did before. Okay, this might not be a fail after all. I think it's safe to say that it came out perfect this time. Like, what? And y'all, my hair is truly dry. Like, dry. I didn't sit under the dryer. I just blow dried my hair for like a few minutes at a time. So like I blow dry for like, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe? I don't know, probably not that long. Well, yeah, probably like 10 minutes at a time. I will blow dry my hair. Oh, gotta frizz. Of course I do.
Can't understand why I would cuss you. Come off so demanding, but baby I can't be. Yeah. Don't tell me what I should not say. You're wrong in the first place for looking too hard over that way. And you better tell me what the deal is. Don't lie to me.
Alright, so to do my edges, I'm going to be taking the Curl Bliss. Is that what it's called? Oh, the curls. y'all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I would for sure recommend these wave formers to anyone. Just make sure you get the right products, which for me is going to be mousse. For this type of product, the process of it is easy. Just detangle your hair first. The first time I did this, as y'all saw, I did not have my hair detangled the first time. I just like detangled each section as I went, and that was a bad idea. I thought I was saving myself time, but at the end of the day, it just felt like more of a struggle. And this time when I applied the mousse, I detangled my whole head first, did my 4 sections first, and then went in and, sectioned each for each individual wave former and applied my product, combed it through again, slipped it on through. It was so much easier if you do it that way. Which I always detangle my whole head before I style it, but I just don't know what I was doing that day. I should have known. I should have known from the beginning. I was tripping and whatever. So if you want to see more like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment. And to anyone who's not subscribed to my channel, if this is like your second or third time watching a video of mine, you should just subscribe, because like we're friends at this point. If you don't subscribe, that's kind of low-key rude as hell. Like, I wouldn't do that to you. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna get some curly back.
Don't play, mess around with D-O-A-G on your face, cousin in the time, and
P-I-G-P-O-P-P-A, going for the P-E-A.
you don't know about love. You don't know what I saw. Can't be without it. 5'5", she might ride or die.